Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Tech and Web.
Looking for a smarter way to feed your furry friend while you're at work or on the go? In 2025, automatic pet feeders have evolved with advanced features like app control, voice recording, portion scheduling, and even camera monitoring. Whether you want to manage feeding times, prevent overfeeding, or keep your pet's food fresh, these devices make life easier for both you and your pet. In this video, we'll reveal the top 5 automatic pet feeders that every modern pet owner needs. Stick around and find the perfect solution to keep your pet happy, healthy, and always fed on time. Number 1. PETLIBRO Automatic Cat Feeder. Never worry about missing a meal for your furry friend again. The PETLIBRO Automatic Cat Feeder combines smart technology with convenience, offering 5G Wi-Fi control, freshness preservation, and a generous 5-liter capacity. With the ability to schedule up to 10 meals per day and a built-in low food sensor, this feeder keeps your pet well-fed and happy, whether you're home or away. Sleek, reliable, and perfect for busy pet parents, it's time to upgrade your feeding routine. Number 2. WOPET 6L Automatic Cat Feeder. Never miss mealtime again. With the WOPET 6L Automatic Cat Feeder, you can feed your pet remotely via Wi-Fi using the WOPET Life app. It offers up to 15 customizable meals daily and precise portion control, so your pet eats exactly what they need, even when you're away. With a 5G 2.4 GHz connection, built-in low food sensor, and 10-second voice recording to call your pet for meals, it's feature-packed for modern pet parenting. The 6-liter capacity and dual power supply, plug plus battery backup, ensure peace of mind and reliability. If you want convenience, control, and comfort for your furry friend, this feeder hits the mark. Number 3. SureFeed Microchip Pet Feeder Connect. Worried about one pet stealing food from another or managing a strict diet? The SureFeed Microchip Pet Feeder Connect is the perfect solution. It uses your pet's microchip or RFID collar tag to open only for the right animal, ideal for multi-pet homes. With app connectivity via a separate hub, you can monitor feeding habits, set portion sizes, and ensure mealtime is always under control. Plus, its airtight lid keeps food fresher for longer. Say goodbye to food fights and hello to smarter, personalized feeding. Number 4. PetSafe Automatic Dog Feeder. Tired of juggling pet meals all day? The PetSafe 5-meal automatic dog feeder simplifies feeding with programmable settings and a spacious 40-ounce capacity, perfect for dry food and multi-pet households. Its rotating tray delivers up to 5 meals on your schedule, so you can enjoy more freedom and fewer mealtime worries. The durable plastic build and dishwasher-safe tray make cleanup a breeze. If you want convenience, consistency, and happy pets, this feeder is the perfect addition to your routine. Number 5. PETLIBRO Automatic Cat Feeder. Make mealtime effortless and stress-free with the PETLIBRO Automatic Cat Feeder. The perfect solution for busy pet parents who want to keep their cats and dogs fed and happy, even when they're not home. With a sleek black design, a 2-liter capacity, and an impressive 180-day battery life, this feeder ensures your furry friend gets the right portion at the right time, every time. Whether you're at work, traveling, or simply want a more convenient feeding routine, the AIR-timed pet feeder gives you peace of mind and your pet consistent, fresh meals. Give your pet the care they deserve with a feeder designed for modern pet lovers.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more.